There's some kind of like 80s reunion going on here. See? Bunch of friends probably passing the weekend here in Amsterdam. When you live here for some years, you get used to see it of every color and kind. Let's put it that way. What a great spot. When you find like a little corner like this, you gotta stop and record it. So beautiful, this city. The more you go around, you always find little spots and corners and buildings and boats and trees that they exude all kinds of moods and poetry, and it's just incredible. I love going around and doing those kind of discoveries. Makes you realize how lucky you are to live in such a nice place. At least as long as the weather is nice. Look at that. Now that's a nice way to live. See? I mean, this setting is pretty surreal if you ask me. Quite urban, run down, probably part of the old city. I love it, I love the vibe. I'm going around because I was supposed to do a video already a few months ago, but then we didn't manage to do schedule and take a friend from Italy here. But I still want to do it. Probably I'll do something simple with Jean. I'm going around like finding location because I have a few ideas about what kind of video I want to do for one of the songs for Tim and Sparrow, and so that's why I'm going around like scouting the city corners and things to just find a nice location, few locations to do this nice video, and I hope I'll manage to do it before the end of the fall, because now it's a great mood. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And now I think I'm gonna start to a back. I went pretty far. I think I must be like 12 kilometers from my house, so another 12 kilometers back. That's fine, that's good. As long as the weather stays like this, it's all great. Quite amazing. Look at the light. Beautiful. And there is a dude there pissing. I don't think I would mind to live on one of those boats here in the back, especially with the setting. It's pretty beautiful. Look at the light. It's incredible. Whoa! And that's a tender. Wow. Better start to head back. With those thunders, I don't know if it's gonna start to rain badly. So let me start to pedal back. Just beautiful. And of course started to rain.